I think there's a tenacity to find new and different and better ways of doing things, whether it's cheaper or faster or lighter or smaller, and that's something that's just in the Harris DNA that really drives us to continue to innovate to solve our customers' toughest problems.
So the way I would think about how we could future-proof our business was, how do we get the best out of 7,000 engineers? And we built a program around it called the Innovation Office, whereby we make open calls with engineering challenges twice a year and pull ideas out of those people. And we fund the best ideas towards building products that will protect the future of our company to meet our customer needs.
So I think giving employees a real hands-on approach and allowing them to submit ideas that they're passionate about and want to develop really helps both Harris apply these technologies to their programs and current systems, but also allows the employees to maintain actively engaged in the work that they do.
Back in 2014, I saw the need for developing technology that would fit a small sat antenna into a small package, and we pulled together a team of very creative engineers to come up with the idea of the high compaction ratio reflector, which would eventually become a program, and now it's on orbit.
We're actually transforming this business, and we're actually creating new products with the high compaction ratio reflector and the perimeter truss reflector. All those things are showing that we're migrating over time.
One of our primary strengths in the competitive world is the number and type of structures and antennas that we have developed over the years. We look at what their needs are and try to select the best solution to solve their problem. This is unlike our competitors that only have, for example, one approach to design.
What makes Harris the best in industry at space reflectors is we have an extremely long heritage in these designs, and we've managed to leverage state-of-the-art technology over the years to reinvest into the production techniques and reduce risk as we improve our designs.
Within the commercial area, a lot of the innovation has been how do we build to the same stringent requirements but do it faster and more affordably than we have in the past.
We're now making plans and investments to be able to build a reflector as quick as every 15 days. And so this will be, I think, the largest difference from today to where I think we will be in 5 years. Is we will see a lot more process control, we'll see higher quality, as well as higher production rates.